Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead video. If you are looking for a work from home job that would have been classified as a typical office administrative and data entry type job, this video is going to be for you. The company Frasco Investigation Services, they're a full service investigation corporation that are servicing the insurance, legal, employment, and entertainment communities. The services they provide include surveillance, statement interviews, activity checks, background checks, and all other kind of investigative endeavors. They are hiring an administrative data entry assignment coordinator. Now, this is a full-time position. It is temporary with the potential to become a permanent position. They are hiring within the United States. They do not list any state restrictions. They just say you must be willing to work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the Pacific Standard Time Zone. So if you do not live in that time zone, you'll have to convert your time zone to that to see if those hours will work for you. But if it will, they are seeking someone to join the position of team lead for their assignment date entry group. You'll be assessing incoming referrals and when complete, assign them to the team to be opened in an accurate, efficient, and timely manner. You'll work with clients, managers, and sales staff to obtain any missing information on the referrals. You'll assist the managers in maintaining and updating system-wide databases. You'll make sure that the information is handled confidentially and securely, and you may from time to time have to answer and direct phone calls and perform any other duties as assigned. That's where the administrative piece comes in. The majority of the job is data entry. They do not require any college degree, only a high school diploma or equivalent. They do want someone who has excellent organizational skills, can have great attention to detail, strong leadership skills, and someone who understands data entry methods and procedures. And of course, you have to know how to work with Microsoft Office Suite. Now, they don't list the pay for this position. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. However, they do offer benefits including the standard medical, dental, vision, pay time off, life insurance, 401k, all the things. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.